The morning sun brings life awake. It's time for the cold-blooded insects to go about the business of life. In the lush green Western Ghats, tall bushes wake up. Their aroma tantalizing, their flowers elegant, beckoning, demanding attention. Amidst the flowers is the spice we humans so desire. She is cardamom, the queen of fragrance. A misty morning in September. The monsoon has retreated from this green hill station in the Western Ghats. Sakaleshpura. The name comes from Sakal Aishwarya, all riches, the bounties of nature, fertile soil, abundant rainfall, and spices. Pepper and cardamom grow abundantly with coffee and areca. Tall bushes, multiple branches fanning at the base, spread on the ground. Each branch adorned with pretty flowers, laden with shiny capsules, green and smooth, the third most expensive spice in the whole world. The leaves are large, green, erect, proud and tall, allowing the sun to trickle in. The whole farm fragrant, abuzz with bees. It's harvest time. We are in time to see the queen of spices being plucked off the plant. Harvesting is traditionally done by women. These farm workers experienced. Each settles down next to a bush, lifts the branch and starts plucking, taking some, leaving others.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲೂ 8-10 ಕಾಯಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಬುಡದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಯ್ತಾ ಬರೋದು. ಬುಡದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲಿತ ಕಾಯಿ ಕೈ ಹಾಕುವಾಗಲೇ ಕೈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
The experienced farm hands pinch each capsule. If it gives in, it's picked. If not, left on the plant. It's still immature and the aroma has not developed fully. It's a tried and tested process. They work quietly in the shade of the tall trees. Each worker would be paid by the weight of the harvest. Depending on the season, they would be picking pepper, coffee, areca or coconut. But this hard capsule looks nothing like the cardamom in our kitchen. The wrinkled green capsules that make our sweets come alive with their sweet, hard to define flavor.
देखो, वैसे तो खुशबू का कोई भी अपन वर्णन नहीं कर सकते. इलायची जब मुंह में रखोगे, वो शीतलता देखिए, एकदम टेस्ट जीभ पे होते. ये खुशबू जो है ये इलायची की.
The aroma that evokes images of kheer and phirni, mouth fresheners, specialty and rich pulaus.
Smell and flavor which it gives the food is excellent, superb, out of this world.
An out of this world flavor, part and parcel of our eating experience.
वो इलायची सिर्फ दूध के साथ इलायची डाल दिए, शक्कर डाल दिए तो ये बस है.
Cardamom, big or small. Both belong to the Zingiberaceae family of plants. The ginger family grows from the underground rhizomes, Ginger and turmeric are its eminent cousins. Small cardamom, choti ilaichi, has a botanical name, Elateria cardamomum. The name Elateria, with roots in the Sanskrit name Ela. Ilaichi in Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu. Elathari in Malayalam. Elakai in Tamil and Telugu, and Elaki in Kannada language. By any name, its identity is its fragrant seed. Cardamom originated in the south of India, somewhere in the lush green Western Ghats. Its cultivation in India confined to the 3 southern states of Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. The queen of spices lured humans a very long time back. Its use in India, its land of origin, dates back thousands of years. Known as spice and medicine, cardamom came to be known as a warming spice in Ayurveda. Charak Samhita and Sushrut Samhita, the ancient Indian Ayurvedic texts written in the post-Vedic period, prescribed cardamom as food and medicine. The goodness of cardamom did not remain confined to its homeland. It travelled the world with humans on the spice route, crossing boundaries of nations and continents. Its history almost as old as the human race. It braved oceans, was taken on long road journeys. Its value worth the risk. Its aroma was irresistible. It came to be known as the grains of paradise. As early as the 4th century before Christ, father of botany, Theophrastus, had already seen and used cardamom in Greece. De Materia Medica, the precursor of all medical pharmacopoeias, written by Dioscorides, refers to cardamom as a healing spice for spasms, colic, paralysis, and epilepsy. Looking at its trail across the world, it's evident that cardamom was travelling far and wide. It also grew in the fabled hanging gardens of the king of Babylon as early as 720 BC. It was a spice with a royal touch, an aroma fit for the rich and privileged. Back at the farm, the day's labor is over. Workers carry the freshly harvested pods to the godown. They are paid by weight. Each worker would have collected 7 to 9 kilograms of fresh and moist pods. Pods need to be dried almost immediately. The 80 to 85% moisture would be now reduced to just 10%. What sunlight did earlier is now done by machine. Heated chambers dehydrate them. The aroma and color intact, locked in. A quick round of polish and cleaning, and cardamom is ready for the market. The whole room now heady with the cool, sweet fragrance. Cooking is an art. A balancing of smells, flavors, textures. Amidst the hot and pungent, bitter and sweet flavors, cardamom stands ground.
Taste is the tongue what tells you, and flavor is the nose what tells you. First you get the flavor, and then only you decide whether you are going ahead for tasting.
Indian sweets are almost always flavored with cardamom. A meal never complete without a sweet in the end, and no sweet ever complete without the pleasant fragrance of cardamom. Cardamom, an ancient plant with a strong strategy of survival. In the web of life, plants and animals have forged strong bonds. They have evolved to make friends and fight enemies. Cardamom has forged a special friendship with bees, enticing them with their elegantly attractive flowers.
ये इवोल्यूशन जो हुआ ये दोनों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद था, इंसेक्ट्स के लिए भी और प्लांट्स के लिए भी.
The architecture of the flower perfect. A large white landing pad, bright stripes, lit up for smooth landing.
इंसेक्ट आने के ऊपर उस पर बैठता है, प्रेशर आता है और प्रेशर आने के बाद उसके पीछे वाला हिस्सा आगे आ जाएगा.
A lever designed by nature. The stigma, the female part bends forward and collects the pollen from the body of the visiting insect. Pollen it would have collected from another cardamom flower.
कुछ देने के बाद ही कुछ मिलता है. इंसेक्ट और अंदर चला जाता है तभी वो नेक्टर उसको मिलेगा, पर तब क्या करेगा, उसके स्टैमेंस उसके ऊपर अपने पराग छोड़ देगा.
Cross pollination, a perfect strategy for any plant. Cardamom spin flower a uniquely successful design. The position of the reproductive organs, the stamen and the stigma prevent self-pollination, ensuring a stronger gene pool. Farmers and scientists know from experience and research that greater the number of bees visiting the cardamom flowers, better the fruiting. The intricate web of life. Plants, animals, soil, water and air, each playing a role in this complex interplay.
If you sit near a cardamom plant and then count the number of bees which has come in a minute, traditional farmers will use that as an indication of the health of the plantation.
Recognizing the importance of the pollinators, progressive farmers have started beekeeping. But just keeping bee boxes is not enough. Bees need protection from pollution and toxins. At Sakleshpura, a group of cardamom specialists have developed a biofertilizer to add soil nutrients, and they have worked out a judicious and systematic methodology of managing all aspects of cardamom farming. Farming in today's world, a multidisciplinary science.
So during the peak flowering period, especially May, June, July, we never apply any chemicals. If we apply, it will kill the pollinators, and due to lack of pollination, capsule set will be less and naturally yield will be less.
The scientific team is focused on all aspects of cardamom cultivation: disease and pests, development of biofertilizers, soil and water management, nutrient support, and development of better varieties with better yield. A unique germplasm collection is the backbone of this research. Nobody knows when cardamom originated, but its history long and gracious. Chanakya, in his political treatise Kautilya Arthashastra, favored it as a gift during formal procedures. The desire for the queen of spices evident even today. The auction, a passionate affair where demand and supply are pitted. Rates fixed, deals made. Cardamom retains its glory of the third most expensive spice in the whole world. The first two being saffron and vanilla. Cardamom, best stored as pods and de-seeded as per need. The seeds lose aroma very quickly, and their aroma is what makes simple cookies come alive.
कार्डेमम को जो ये पदवी दी है क्वीन ऑफ स्पाइसेस, तो ये बिल्कुल मुझे लगता है कि सही है. Heady, it just goes right into the head and you feel like, you know, eating that particular dish.
Spices get their flavor and aroma from the aromatic compounds produced by the plant. In the case of cardamom, its special chemistry is in the seeds. The blackish brown, slightly moist seeds we are all familiar with. Biochemists have identified and isolated the molecules in cardamom responsible for its uniquely floral, pleasant smell. It's a complex flavor of sweet, exotic notes. The principal molecule is cineol. Cineol is a potent antiseptic that kills bad breath bacteria and curbs infections in the mouth. No wonder it has found its place in toothpastes and mouthwashes. Cineol is being recognized as a good expectorant, good at clearing coughs, phlegm, and breathing passages.
Essential oil of cardamom, when you take it, you will not be able to, you will get it, it's so intense you can't make it anything. But when you take a small quantity of that essential oil in water or in some kind of a gruel, you get most of the flavor notes.
Spice aromas are always created by a whole bouquet of molecules. Borneol, a terpene with a camphor-like smell. Cardamom is a good antispasmodic, soothes the intestines, helping them function better.
सौंफ, खोपरा, सल्ली, काजू पाउडर, लाल केसर, बेलगम, इलायची, लौंग बहुत मांगते हैं, बहुत पसंद करते हैं सर.
So is the pungent leaf with the cardamom and clove loved for its taste, or is there something more?
खांसी नहीं आती. लौंग इलायची खाने से पेट साफ रहता है, मुंह साफ रहता है, दांत मजबूत होते हैं, इसलिए खाते हैं.
The tradition of chewing pan goes a long way. Most pan lovers would vouch for its necessity, especially after a heavy, oily meal. The Mughal period in India had a great impact on cuisine, culture, and lifestyle. Emperor Jahangir, known for his opulence and luxury, his favorite queen, the powerful Noor Jahan. After the death of Jahangir, Noor Jahan is said to have dedicated herself to the art of perfume making. Cardamom figured in her favorite spices. The Chinese mandarins are said to have chewed the pods before they were granted an audience by the emperor to ensure that their breath stayed fragrant when they stood before the Son of Heaven. From love spells and potions, cardamom has been associated with romance, lust, and attraction. In India, it was recommended as an aphrodisiac. Cardamom, like all spices, finds different uses, combinations in different families.
That's a traditional recipe which my mom, it comes from my mother. She used to say कि इससे नुकसान नहीं होता, जैसे केले का भी बोलते हैं कि हेवी हो जाता है या इससे तकलीफ होती है, तो when you add इलायची it cuts down on that.
अच्छा लगता है.
Acha, nice. So cardamom for taste and for health. In today's world of reverse pharmacology, when scientists are trying to unravel the mechanism of action, cardamom is being studied too. At the CFTRI Mysore, in an animal trial, the anti-inflammatory effect of cardamom is being studied. Inflammation is regarded as a disease pathway, a precursor to disease. Cardamom is showing positive results in reducing inflammation. Cardamom also increases the flow of bile juices, aiding the digestive process. It is known to prevent formation of gallstones and kidney stones. The story of cardamom cannot be complete without large cardamom. Amomum subalatum, the big brown cousin that laces our pulaus and meats with its smoky, strong aroma. Badi ilaichi grows in the northeast of India. Its production confined to the state of Sikkim and Darjeeling in West Bengal. Without the two cousins, the small and big cardamom, our Indian garam masala, is unimaginable.
Oil में when you put the cardamom, black cardamom, it doesn't give a very strong and sharp taste. उसका slowly flavor extract होता है.
Cardamom, a spice that crosses the barrier between sweet and savory with great ease. The two cardamoms, with very distinct and different aromas, together complete many a dish, tantalizing us, luring us.
जैसे उसकी महक आप अरोमा जो कहते हैं आपके दिमाग में चला जाता है तो आपको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यस मुझे ये पसंद है. वहीं से आपका फूड का अप्रिसिएशन शुरू होता है.
Smell has the power to transport us to another world. Humans have forever used fragrance for beauty, worship, comfort, rest. Forever drawn by fragrance, lured by it, humans have made cardamom the queen of spices. I'm sure you wouldn't ask why.
Na 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 na